In today's video, I will show you how to suspend your phone, one of your lines, in case lost or stolen happen. There will be some options like vocational suspend and military suspend. I will show you those options too. So let's get started. So we will sign into my Verizon account. So this video is from my Verizon Mobile app. Later on, I'll post the video how you can do on the web as well. So once you sign in, you need to go to the option where it says account and then scroll down a little bit, and where it says manage all devices, uh, you choose the line you like to suspend. So in this case, I will choose one of my lines. So you will tap on manage device and then scroll down till the bottom, and you will see the option where it says protection. Underneath you will see the option suspend or reconnect. So tap on this option, and now you have three options there. The first option is my device is lost or stolen. So tap on it and make sure you read. It says line will automatically disconnect in 30 days unless you reconnect the line before. So then tap continue. And very important, you read the terms and condition. It says about suspension, that temporary suspend your line for 30 days. You can do once in a year. And if you don't reconnect the line before 30 days, you will lose your number because it's going to be disconnected from the system. And if you're participating in a promo or something, that will impact your bill or other services. And in billing, you're not going to be charged for anything because the line is suspended. You're not able to use for data, voice, or features, so there is not going to be any charge. If your device payment plan is there, like as most of the phones are being purchased nowadays on a monthly installment, which is called device payment agreement. So if you have a device payment agreement, it's you're still going to be responsible for that, and the charges are going to be prorated. If let's say you suspend the line today, you reconnect after 5 days, so for those 5 days you're not going to be charged, and rest you're going to be charged on the bill as normal. Very important about the device protection. Device protection is like insurance. So insurance, they're going to suspend it until the line is reconnected, um, if applicable, they say. And you must have, it says if you have a multi-device protection, let's say you have three or three or four lines or more than that, you're still gonna be responsible for that. And very important thing is, if you have a multi-device protection on your account and the line service is disconnected, so let's say you don't reconnect the line within 30 days, your line is disconnected, and if you have a multi-device protection, that will be removed if the lines, if the number of the lines less than three. Okay, so make sure you read this option very carefully, all the options. um, After you choose the number, you just tap on continue and then tap on confirm. It's loading, and then it says your line is suspended. So how you reconnect, it's the same thing. You go to account and then go to manage all devices, choose the number you suspended, like this is the number, and it's blurred for my privacy, but it's going to show the number over here. And you need to tap on manage device and then scroll down till the bottom, and you will see the option suspend or reconnect. and then it's going to ask you that reconnect the same device. So choose that option. If somehow you receive a new phone, you will choose the option reconnect another device, or if you don't have insurance, you will choose that option upgrade to a new device. um, and obviously if you have a different sim, you will choose that option. So in this scenario, we will just assume that you're going to reconnect the line to the same device. So just tap on reconnect and confirm. It's loading, and here it says welcome back, you're connected. And then this way how you can reconnect the line. So the other two options are, we will go again, account, scroll down a little bit and tap on manage all devices, and then choose a number you want to suspend and tap on manage device. Scroll down till the bottom where it says suspend or reconnect service, tap on it. And now this time is vacation or other reasons. In this scenario, the line will automatically reconnect in 90 days if you don't reconnect the line before. And this thing you can do like once in a year, and you can do up to, like as it says, like 90 days. As far as the billing is concerned, there will be a $10 charge. Let's say your plan is $50, $60, or depending on your plan, but you're just going to be charged $10. If your line access or the plan price is less than 10, let's say it's $8, so you're going to be charged $8. Device payment plan, as explained earlier, you will still be responsible, and the charge is going to be like prorated when you suspend or restore the service. Device protection plan, if applicable, it's going to be suspended. So with that, you will, once you read the terms and condition, tap on continue. And here it says again the same thing which I explained, the terms and conditions, that you're going to be charged $10. And if you don't reconnect the line, it will reconnect automatically within 90 days. So hit confirm. And it says your line is suspended, and then just tap on done. The third option is, you again go to the account and then manage all devices, and then choose the line you want to suspend or reconnect. Go to the option where it says manage device, and the third option, you need to scroll down where it says protection again. Same thing, suspend or reconnect service. This option, the third option is, I will be on military deployment. So you choose that option. There will be two options. So the first option in US. So um, you choose that option and you need to enter the pin, like a zip code. For example, I put my zip code in and hit search, but it says you don't qualify for military suspend, so it has to be like a certain zip codes. But let's say you're going out like a military person going somewhere else, like outside US. You choose this option, hit continue, and you need to give all the information, like are you going in Air Force, Army, all the information. And then choose the deployment duration and when you want to start. And the military suspend is free, valid for 3 years and 90 days. And once you want to reconnect, you need to call customer care. That cannot be reconnected from the app. So it manual reconnect means customer care. So just to recap, today we discussed three options like lost and stolen, vacation, and military. Thank you very much for watching my videos. and I'll request to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in next videos. Thank you so much.